Dex Guru has changed from a trading platform to the Guru Network. It uses AI and Web3 technology to make data analysis and process management better. Dex Guru V2 and its automations give a special experience to people who have the Guru NFT Season 1 pass. They are the first to learn about the Atomic franchise ecosystem and how the Guru network powers it. On Dex Guru, you pick Guru arts to generate. This creates a generation order that Dex Guru sends to the Guru network as an agent order. The PixelPact node reads this order and starts the generation process using its own AI processors designed with comfy UI and extra context. It sends the completed order back to Dex Guru node, and then you can review it. You can regenerate the art, share it on social media, and earn an invite for the Season 2 NFT mint.
And while people are joining, let's take a look at one more promotional video. It's short, it's just 1 minute. Hello again, and before we will go to exciting updates, I want to remind everybody that we have Guru Meme Mania. It's a contest where you can participate in 3 ways. First of all, you follow Guru Network on Twitter. You tweet your original meme with the Guru Meme Mania hashtag and tag us in this tweet. And then you ask your friends to like it. The tweet with the most likes get $100 in Guru token equivalent every week. But there's 2 more ways to win. You can repeat steps 2 and 3 to increase your chances and join our Discord and ask your friends to vote on it as well. Another nomination is a Discord community winner. And third criteria that we have is team choice. Each week we choose 1 meme based on creativity, humor, and relevance to the Guru network, blockchain, and AI. After this short reminder, let me introduce you to our CEO, Evgeny, who will update you on what's going on in Guru Network this week. Evgeny.
Hello. Yeah, today I decided to do it from outside. I just woke in the morning. Why not, right? 7 a.m. in the morning, not like last time, 6 a.m. So it's bright, it's cool, there is green around, and let's do it. So Guru updates. Let me start sharing the screen. I'm sharing. Screen. Yep. What a week, by the way. Weekend and on Monday, all those markets are crazy. It's like, wow, and continuation of it as well. But the main thing is the persistence, right? And we at Guru Network, we are very persistent at what we do, and we build in our ecosystem projects, building on our infrastructure, and that's what I wanted to start from. So burning meme, is launching, and all those meme manias and everything is basically precursor to it. And we actively preparing all our infrastructure of Guru Network for launch of this project. And the team of the project itself is working hard right now and like delivering everything and uh, basically uh, getting it done. And so it's burning meme. It's launching like next week, and it's a meme coin launchpad platform which is powered up by Guru Network Stack. So all this voting which happens for the meme before it's actually going into next stages where it's trading is happening on Guru Network, and then after voting is done, the proposer, if it was voted for minting, mints NFT as his like a digital rights representation for the future meme coin. And when you register your rights for meme coin, that's where basically in NFT you have all the description, all the metadata about meme coin. Then you deploying it for trading on operational chain. As an owner, as you have registered rights, you're deploying it on those chains, and that's basically one of the main ideas of this cool project Burning Meme, which is launching our orchestration. And here, Guru Network itself showcasing like the whole technology of um, what we actually delivering as a main value of our technology, which is multi-chain Web3 automation and AI as Web3 automation and AI compute layer. And here we're exactly combining like AI, so it's image generation plus all the context generation for meme coin based off user input. That's how those meme coins are getting there, basically the burning meme. And Web3, where it's minted as NFTs and deployed on operational chains. There are like liquidity transfers, everything, and it's orchestrated using our orchestration nodes. It's orchestrated multi-chain and using BPMN standard. And that's actually our main goal. If you read and through like light paper, that's exactly what we're building here. And that project is launching. It's the first ecosystem project of that kind, which is like utilizing all the pieces of it. And Guru token is used in there as utility token. That's why we are. Let me find it. Yeah, we are launched new testnet, which is already like layer three on base, and we started testing like a bridging solution from Sepolia base to Guru Sepolia, uh, and this new thing, Variant Meme, would be already operating on Guru's Sepolia testnet, which is basically layer three on base, and it would have like utility token breached from base Sepolia. So here we are planning to test the whole route, and that's a preparation for mainnet launch. Like, and we already launched Explorer for new testnet. The old one still exists. It's Scan Alpha Guru Network AI, and that's basically the testnet which we had before, and we'll be migrating from this one to a new one. And within this migration, we basically testing bridging, testing future drop mechanisms because that's basically what we're planning to do, and we're like declaring from the very beginning that everyone who participates in activities like put Tiguru from faucet on our testnet, they would be rewarded on mainnet. And basically, by migrating what was done on our first testnet, our base layer 3 testnet, we are testing that mechanism as well. So when we'll be launching the mainnet, it basically would be there already. And Everyone who's participated in community would be rewarded. There's also huge news, as well as uh, one of the other place for news about Guru. It's our blog, and we became much more active in it. So, for example, for Burning Me, which I just discussed, there is whole article here on how it works, what are the stages, how economy works there, what are the components which are used from Guru frameworks in this application, and how it all basically connected together. Uh, Very interesting. I myself very proud of this particular architecture because uh, that exactly implements our vision, which we declared initially in April in our white paper, and here we have it working already as a part of application. Uh, yeah, and again, like all the Guru news as well as what's going on, where we see ourselves, how it's all combined with environment around us, like market downturns, as well as where we aim in our focus on, and we aim in our focus on AI-driven tools and orchestration and all around it. So those those are the main news, and we also right now working on proof of concept with use of CCAP. So, for example, for burning meme, all those operational chains would be so whenever you deploy a meme coin, it's basically value and message would be transferred using proven solution of like industry leader like Chainlink to actually connect orchestration nodes between different chains. So those kind of mechanics where it's voted on one chain, deployed on another, and basically there is some value and message transfer in between them would be handled by CCAP. So this is description of what we bake in there, and we launched this new testnet. We would be doing tests of this approach in there and prepare it for mainnet launch. Um, yeah. So again uh, for people who just connected and don't really know what the Guru network is. Guru network is all about orchestration of processes, orchestration of user flows where user needed, for example, submit some transaction in Web3 to proceed with the flow with some business process, or user just need to basically fill in Web2 form in a form of model. Uh, Combine it with the context of different microservices as well as LLM models as well as Web3 data. That's the orchestration kind of mission of BBPA engines, which are our orchestration nodes on Guru network, and that's what we're doing here. Maybe it sounds a bit complicated, but it allows lots of interesting use cases. And again, burning meme launching, like voting on one chain, AI generation, user flow, and it's all orchestrated by our orchestration nodes. So here, for example, like orchestration node to burning meme, I have access in there because we provide them this infrastructure. And here, for example, debug happens of some of the uh, some of the flows right now. Yeah, very cool. Very bullish on it. Launching soon. What else? We launched warehouse data warehouse for X layer. So we uh, we contacted X layer. We had like a long partnership with OKX on Dex Guru fronts, basically. For example, we started supporting their wallet. at some point and had some promotional campaign on it. But now we're partnering on our analytics tool set and developers tool set. That's why we launched our warehouse for Xlayer, started filling in dashboards. Here you can see different like chain activity, wallets activity, so our kind of standard uh, dashboards, as well as right now there are dashboards which are created for for to visualize DEX's activity on Xlayer. That was a special request from uh, Xlayer itself, and that's what we do. Uh, cool project. We love partnering with other chains and provide our solutions to other chains, and it's actually getting our products better when you delivering it for someone else, and along with data, we again implementing for different chains that model for automations, administration, and everything. So it's kind of interesting. We expanding our, you know, uh, data layer as well as exposure of our products to different ecosystems. Um, what else we had? Let me quickly go through it. Yeah, Crossfire hackathon. And we are providing developers toolset there as well. So there is a warehouse version for Xify. It's warehouse Xify MS, right? Yep. And this were this instance of warehouse for we deployed for Xify would be used on their hackathon, which already started and application started. So if anyone interested on building on using Guru framework, uh, that's the hackathon which is in there, and the prizes are good. And next week on Monday, I would do a webinar on like how to use Guru Warehouse as developers toolset, what you can do, how you can grab those APIs and build on top of it, how you can create new process definitions and hooks up to uh, Guru framework and build your own dApps on top of it. This is like our open source solution, uh, which is available for everyone to build on top of. Xify Hackathon, uh, please, if you're a builder, participate. It's like another example of using of like Guru network technology for real projects, and we assist in everyone. We provide them the infrastructure. We will help building. I'm participating in that hackathon as a judge as well, but at the same time, I'll be more than happy to do some kind of mentorship with the teams, especially the ones who want to utilize Guru framework to build fast, to build better and orchestrate like something multi-chain. Um, that's another huge thing, like uh, getting Guru framework where it's supposed to be by utilizing it for dApp building. Uh, what else? Markets are tough. Actually, I had interesting post about it myself. Like uh, I'm a writing, so here I was like navigating the market this summer. So everyone had a joke about it. And again, if you have a joke, participate in Meme Mania and those memes which you guys right now submitting to Guru Network kind of competitions and everything would be part of Burning Meme ecosystem. That's what we have in plans. Um, yep. So that's pretty much about it. We are actively building, actively preparing releases, mainnet launch, polishing mechanics where we are uh, migrating Tiguru token from one testnet to another one, which is layer 3 on base already, and doing bridging on the way. So polishing uh, token utility mechanisms because we launched burning memes. There would be utility in there in that application where you vote in and everything because it happens in Guru network. And polishing our toolset and integrating with partners. Those are the main kind of points of focus for Guru Network right now. And markets are tough, but our answer is like we're building, we are partnering, we are providing our tool set to different chains, and yeah, prevailing in any markets, no matter what, with our ideas. Um, yeah, do we have any questions anywhere? Maybe prepared questions from before? What's up on our Discord? Like, I hadn't checked it for maybe a week because of very tough schedule right now with tech and markets and everything. What's discussed in there? Oh, you have a mic muted. I can unmute you.
I'm sorry. The most discussed question in Discord is, of course, airdrop, and maybe we can elaborate on that.
Yeah, probably we need to bring some clarity on airdrops, especially with Burning Meme launch. So because it happens on Guru network and everyone who minted season passes before will be able to participate in there. Uh, like of course by for example participate in Burning Meme launch, you guys are in airdrop because you are helping ecosystem project to bring value to the network and value to the network. Basically, it means TVL, it means more ecosystem, it means like use cases which actually run. So with Burning Meme launch, we will publish clear rules for earning airdrop in this particular application, as well as I mentioned, we are right now migrating to new testnet and testing mechanisms where like balances which been there on at August 1st would be transferred towards new testnet. Uh, so those Tigurus would be existing on new testnet, which is already registered on base, and that would be happening through bridging, then minting, and those mechanisms needs to be tested because on mainnet that happens the same way. Uh, yeah, so we preparing for airdrops and same time new product releases would give you ability to earn those. What else in discussions there?
Uh, one the second most popular question is how to join as a builder. So what we can give to Guru builders now?
Okay, so because we preparing actively for Guru framework for this kind of battle, well, not battle, but that usage on hackathon by different teams on Crossfire hackathon. Right now, I'm actively working on documentation all around it, and we have a docs Guru Network AI where actual concept we describe, like orchestration nodes, uh, Flow API, like how it's all connecting together with the front end. But at the same time, there are no clear tutorials on how you can launch and start building. And over the weekend, I will be publishing some. And that would give clear paths for everyone who wanna build, start building, and then that basically opens those doors into into building on top of Guru, because we were experimenting with Builders Club for months and a half already, right? And we have talented people filled in the applications there. With some we contacted, with some not yet, because we ourselves preparing the infrastructure for those people to come in. Like we onboarded some of the people and working with them, like uh, on like trying to work with them on the project, on the way we're figuring out what needs to be changed. And like Crossfire Hackathon is the next step in it, and we would invite more people from the list of other people who submitted applications and for basically testing of Guru framework, how you can build on it, like getting feedback on it, and so on. So that's the plan, as well as after Crossfire Hackathon. This is the first use of it in that way. We would be preparing Guru Network Hackathon, uh, which would happen like before mainnet launch, which we plan for September. So that's pretty much answers it, I believe, right? Fill the form, be invited to Guru Hackathon. We have ecosystem growth fund, and would be more than happy to onboard builders into our ecosystem.
To find the forum, since it's multi-stream, you can find it in comments on Twitch and YouTube. You can find it in reply on Twitter, and you can find a fully dedicated group for group builders in our Discord. So you can choose any possibility to join the Guru network. And in the meantime, while full framework isn't published yet, you can fill this form to be seen, to be known to us, and we will reach out to you later.
Yep. So, do we have any more discussions or questions, or we can wrap it up? It's nearly 30 minutes, so it's good timing.
Checking it right now. No, we do not have any additional questions. Thank you, Evgeny.
Thank you. Thanks everyone for your interest in Guru Network, for your time, and we're building it here. Yeah, we believe in the idea and delivering real use cases, which are implementing this idea and moving forward. Okay.
And if you are not ready to join Guru Network as a builder, you can join it as a meme lord. I want to remind to everyone who was with us just recently that we had this contest. It's called Guru Meme Mania, and you can win it in 3 different ways. You can win it in Twitter, you can win it in our Discord, or you can win it by making the most laughable meme according to team choice. Every Friday we get together and choose the most funniest meme with a little governance, so we vote for the most funny one. You can search in Twitter for Guru Meme Mania hashtag and find full rules, or find them in our docs. Thank you everyone for participating, and we'll see you around.